Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this captivating exploration, we are diving deep into the world of the magnificent blue whale. Join me as we uncover the secrets of the largest animals to ever grace our planet's oceans. From its awe-inspiring size to its remarkable behaviors. So, without further ado, let's embark on a journey to discover the incredible world of the blue whale. The common name is blue whale, while the scientific name is Balænoptera musculus. It belongs to class Mammalia, and according to its diet, it is grouped into carnivores. A group of blue whales is known as pod. The size of the blue whale ranges between 82 to 105 feet and it weighs up to 200 tons. The average lifespan in wild is 80 to 90 years old. Now we see the size of blue whales relative to other animals. In this picture, we see the comparison between the size of the blue whale and other animals, including human. Now, what is the blue whale? Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth. These magnificent marine mammals rule the oceans at up to 100 feet long and upwards of 200 tons. Blue whales are also called sulfur bottom whales. The largest accurately measured blue whale was a 29.5-meter long female that weighed 180 metric tons. Blue whales are blue-gray in color with lighter gray mottling in the form of large spots. The lower surfaces of the flippers are lighter gray or white in some instances. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, while their hearts weigh as much as an automobile. Blue whale has also been called the sulfur bottom whale because of the yellowish underside of some individuals that is reminiscent of the pale yellow color of that chemical element. This coloration is imparted by certain algae diatoms living on the whale's body. Blue whale has a wide head, a small dorsal fin located near the fluke, and 80 to 100 long grooves running lengthwise down the throat and chest. Its mouth contains up to 800 plates of short, white black baleen or whalebone, with thick coarse bristles used for catching food. Females are generally larger than males, and the largest animals that live in southern ocean around Antarctica. Next comes the diet of blue whale that is composed mainly of krill. During a dive, the blue whale may engage in a series of turns and 360-degree rolls to locate prey and rapidly reorient its body to sweep up large concentrations of krill in a single open-mouthed lunge. Blue whales reach these mind-boggling dimensions on a diet composed nearly exclusively of tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. During certain times of the year, a single adult blue whale consumes about 4 tons of krill a day. Blue whales are baleen whales, which means they have French plates of fingernail-like material called baleen attached to their upper jaws. Next comes the feeding behavior of blue whales. The giant animals feed by first gulping an enormous mouthful of water, expanding the pleated skin on their throat and belly to take it in. Then the whale's massive tongue forces the water out through the thin overlapping baleen plates. Thousands of krill are left behind and then swallowed. Next comes the coloring and appearance of blue whale. Blue whales look true blue underwater, but on the surface their coloring is more a mottled blue-gray. Their underbellies take on a yellowish hue from the millions of microorganisms that take up residence in their skin. The blue whale has a broad, flat head and a long tapered body that ends in wide triangular flukes. Now we see the location of blue whales in water. Blue whales live in all the world's oceans except the Arctic, occasionally swimming in small groups but usually alone or in pairs. They often spend summers feeding in polar waters and undertake lengthy migrations toward the equator as winter arrives. Next, we see the speed of swimming of blue whales. These graceful swimmers cruise the ocean at more than 5 miles an hour, but accelerate to more than 20 miles an hour when they are agitated. Next comes the vocalization in blue whale. Blue whales are among the loudest animals on the planet. They emit a series of pulses, groans, and moans. And it's thought that in good conditions, blue whale can hear each other up to 1,000 miles away. Next comes the calves of blue whales. After a gestation of about 12 months, one calf about 8 meters long is born in temperate waters. While nursing, calves gain up to 90 kg per day on the rich milk of their mothers. Young are weaned 7 to 8 months when they have reached a length of about 15 meters. Next, we see the lifespan of blue whale. Blue whales are among the Earth's longest lived animals. Scientists have discovered that by counting the layers of a deceased whale's wax-like earplugs, they can get a close estimate of the animal's age. The oldest blue whale found using this method was determined to be around 110 years old. Average lifespan is estimated at around 80 to 90 years. Next comes the conservation of blue whale, as we all know that it is an endangered species. Aggressive hunting in the 1900s by whalers seeking whale drove them to the brink of extinction. Between 1900 and the mid 1960s, some 360,000 blue whales were slaughtered. They finally came under protection with the 1966 International Whaling Commission, but they have managed only a minor recovery since then. Blue whales have few predators, but are known to fall victim to attacks by sharks and killer whales, and many are injured or die each year from impacts with larger ships.